How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Sony RX100. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure to open up your camera, and then you could apply the following setting that I'm about to show you. Now, it's going to be this one right here. Basically, of course, the first thing that we have to change is our shooting mode. Now, you could do this by setting up your dial to the P or the program automatic. It's basically for everyday shooting, and you want to use the A1 for the aperture priority if you want to control your background blur. Now for ISO, you want to set the auto ISO to keep images clean, and you want to set a max ISO limit of 3200 or 6400 in the menu. Now for focus mode, you want to use AFC or the continuous AF. Basically, the model right here has world-class tracking. This mode ensures that it stays locked on your subject's eye or face. For focus mode, you want to set the tracking to flexible spot or wide. This allows the camera to automatically find and track objects across the frame. Now for the exposure compensation, if your photos look too bright, basically it's a common problem with Sony, you want to use the rear dial to set the exposure to negative 0.3 or 0.7. Now, for simple video settings, basically the file format should be the XAVC as 4K for the highest detail. For recording settings, of course, you could set this whatever you want to, but generally I want to set it at 30p 100M because it has a great standard for high quality and smooth footage. And for the steady shot, you want to set to intelligent active to keep handheld video from looking shaky. And so that is the best settings for our Sony RX100 camera. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.